Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you how I made a simple, yummy, good for weight losing recipe. Okay, so let's get right into it. So in the beginning I'm going to add some oil to my frying pan, and to that I'll add grated garlic, and I'm going to fry this for about 1 minute or until like everything fries well, just to bring out the flavor and all that. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm using this. If you don't have it, no need to worry. So I'm just stirring everything together, and next we'll be adding some chopped carrots to, and we are going to stir. This is stir fry, so please be sure to stir. And next we added some cauliflower and stir this for 5 minutes. Please be sure to cook this on medium to high heat so that everything cooks well. Okay, and be sure to be stirring. Next we'll be adding some broccoli, and guys, this Christmas is going well for real. So you can make this for yourself and your family, because like we are trying to live healthy anyways. We added some sausages. You can skip it if you don't like sausages, or yeah, but I wanted extra because it's Christmas. So we stirred this and allow it to cook for 5 more minutes. And next I'm going in with some chopped onion, some chopped red, yellow and green bell peppers. You already know here, no dull colors here. Some oregano for spicy, some thyme. I also use black pepper. You can use pepper flakes or chili pepper if that's what you have, and be sure to take out any of the spices if you do not have. And we added oyster sauce for a taste of, what recipe did you use to cook? What's the recipe again? So we just stirred this, we stirred everything together, and voila, finally I added a little salt just to bring everything together. And guys, this tasted super delicious, simple, healthy, just mention. So why don't you make this for yourself or your family this Christmas? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much for the love. Let me know in the comments what you think about this recipe, and let me know if you'll be trying this out. I gave this a taste, and guys thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.